I would like to show you how to annotate a room. First, when I go into Insert Object, in the Annotations section, I can choose, for example, a photo icon. I position the photo icon where I was in the plan when I took the picture. Then I tap Info, or I double tap on the object to access the attributes. Then I tap on the photo icon. I can take a picture with my device or select photos from my album. Another type of photo you can include would be a panorama photo, a 360 panorama photo. When you do so, magicplan will be able to connect with a 360 camera. So today we connect with the Ricoh cameras. We are extending the number of cameras that can be connected to magicplan. And once you do that, you'll be able to create a virtual tour, including 360 panoramas. And I'll show you the result in a few minutes. Another annotation you can add would be a text box. I go into Annotations and then I select the text box. I can again move it around. I double tap to access the attributes, and then I can enter my note. I don't want a border, I don't want to fill, and I want a large font size. Good. There it is. I have my note. Again, I can resize it, position it the way I want, etc. Another way to add photos and notes is to use the attributes. Let me start with the door. I double tap on the door, and there I can add a photo, or I can add a note. And by the way, not only you can annotate objects, but again, you can annotate walls. You can annotate rooms. You can annotate floors. And you can annotate the entire property. So the attributes are also very efficient to annotate a floor plan, and you can build questionnaires that you structure according to your floor plan, because you don't have the same question for the floor, for the property, for the room, and you don't have the same questionnaire for the bathroom or for the kitchen, for the oven or for the sink, etc. And the floor plan is a very efficient way to structure and organize your data collection.